So if you're looking to convert a bunch of PDF files using ScanTheCAD, you'll be happy to know that you don't actually have to convert them all one by one using ScanTheCAD. There's actually an automatic batch conversion tool available for ScanTheCAD business packages and above. Today I'll be showing you how to use that conversion tool. So first thing you want to do is to make sure that all the PDFs that you want to convert are all moved to one folder. Nothing else should be in that folder. So in this particular example, we have 3 PDF files that we want to convert. I have placed them all in a folder called PDFs. But actually you can have a lot more than 3, dozens, sometimes even hundreds. So after you've placed all of the PDF files into one folder, you want to set up what we call a script file. So basically, if you open it up here, it's just a bunch of instructions that you want to use to tell ScanTheCAD what to do with the PDF files that you want to convert. If you go to docs.scanthecad.com/article/64-automate, there's a link to a full list of commands that you can input into your script file to really personalize what you want to do with the conversion, as you can see. For my particular PDFs, this is the most optimal setup for the script file. So I've taken care of this beforehand. All you need to do is just open up Notepad or whatever equivalent you have for writing script files and then save it as a .s2c file. Once that's done, I personally like to put the script file close to where the PDF folder is, just so that I don't lose track of it. After you've set up the PDFs and you've set up the script file like I showed, the next step is to open up command prompt like so. You're going to want to input the location of your ScanTheCAD program first. So in my case, I'm going to put in, I know that it's in the C drive, in program files, in the ScanTheCAD folder, and it is the ScanTheCAD.exe file. Close quotes. You want to add a space there and then another open quotes, and then you want to add the directory address of the script file. So if you don't want to memorize that, all you have to do is just right click on properties, copy the location here, and then just paste it on here. Don't forget to add slash and then the title of your script file, close quotes. Now if you press on enter, that should initiate the batch conversion tool, and if you wait for a little bit, you'll see that it starts producing converted files here in the PDF folder, specifically the DXF ones. These are the ones that we want to use on our CAD programs. Just to show you that it works, I'm going to go ahead and open up ScanTheCAD now. Open up one of the sample PDFs that we've converted. So this is what it looks like before conversion. And then let's close this up. Now I'm going to open up DXF here. It's converted pretty well. So to recap, the steps are to locate all the PDFs onto one folder, to create a script.s2c file that has all the instructions that you want to use for your conversion. You can visit this page to see all of the available commands that you can use in your script file, and then you can open up command prompt and then execute using these. If you go to the Automate ScanTheCAD page that I also described earlier, you can see a detailed list of instructions to do all of these. For Mac OS, instead of opening command prompt, you can just open up terminal and then put in these commands, of course tailored to your own preferences to execute the same thing. So it's as simple as that. It's just a matter of sort of setting up all of the files and setting up all the directory addresses, and then if you use that, converting a bunch of PDFs becomes as easy as just pressing enter.